hope you are all right. Now we'll discuss exercise 9.3. First, second, and third. First to 11th question already discussed by me. Now we will discuss question number 12th. Question number 12th is a village Itwari has a plot of land of some shape of the quadrilateral. The Gram Panchayat of a village decided to take some portion of his plot from one of the corner to construct a health care. Itwari agreed to the above portion with the condition that he should give equal of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot so as to form a triangular plot. Explain how his proposal will become implemented. Now we have a solution. First we have, let ABCD be the Itwari plot. Join BD and through C. Draw line CF parallel to BD which meet AB produced at F. Now join D and F. Itwari triangle CBD and FBD are on the same base BD and between same parallel line BD parallel to CF. Hence area of CBD equal to area of FBD. Triangle have same base and having between two parallel line. We can say that they are equal in area. Now subtracting area of BDM from both sides, we get area of CBD minus area of BDM equal to area of FBD equal minus area of BDM. Now we have area of CMD equal to area of BFM. Hence in place of CMD, if triangle BFM is given to Itwari, his plot become triangular. Now we have question number 13. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC, a line parallel to AC intersect AB at X and BC at Y. Now prove that area of ADX equal to area of ACY. Now we have solution. First of all, joining CX, triangular ADX and ACX are on the same base and AX and between same parallel line AB parallel to DC. Now we have, if triangle have same base and between two parallel line, they are equal in area. Now similarly, triangle ACY and ACX are on the same base AC and between two parallel line AC parallel to XY. Hence area of ACY equal to AC, area of ACX. Equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have area of ADX equal to area of ACY. Now we have 14 question. 14 question is, in figure AP parallel to BQ parallel to CR, prove that area of AQC equal to APBR. Now question number 14, we have triangle ABQ and CBQ are base BQ and between two parallel line BQ parallel to AP. Now hence area of ABQ equal to area of PBQ. Equation 1. Because if triangle have same base and between two parallel lines, then we can say the area of triangle are equal. Similarly, triangle BQC and BQR are same base QR BQ and between two parallel line BQ parallel to CR, then area of BQC equal to area of BQR. Equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get area of ABQ plus area of BQC equal to area of PBQ plus area of BQR equal to area of AQC equal to PBR. Now Question number 15, we have diagonal AC and BD of quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that area of AD equal to area of BOC. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Now we have area of AOD equal to area of BOC. We have given area. Now adding area of AOD in both sides. Now we get area of AOD plus area of AOB equal to area of BOC plus area of AOB. Now we get area of ABD equal to area of ABC. Now we have a triangle ABD and a triangle ABC are same base AB, and then area of ABD equal to area of ABC. Now we can say side AB parallel to DC, because if two triangle have same base and equal by area, then we can say they have between two parallel lines, then ABCD is a trapezium. Now question number 16 is, we have figure area of DRC equal to area of DPC and area of BDP equal to area of ARC, so that both the quadrilateral ABCD and DCP are trapezium. Now area of solution, we have solution area of DRC and area of DPC, equation 1 given. Then we have triangle DRC and triangle DPC are on same base DC, and area of DRC equal to area of DPC. Then we can say DC parallel to RP, because triangle have same base and having equal area, then we can say they are in between two line. Now area of ARC equal to, in trapezium DCPR is a trapezium, then area of ARC equal to area of BDP. Equation second, subtracting 1 and 1 from 2, we get area of ARC minus area of DRC equal to area of BDP minus area of DPC. Then we have area of ADC equal to area of BDC. Now triangle ADC and BDC are same base DC and having two equal area of ADC equal to area of BDC. Then we can say AB parallel to DC, because if two triangle have same area and same base, then we can say they have between two parallel line. Therefore AB parallel to DC, then we can say BCD is a trapezium. Thank you student, this is the analysis